fellow loomers. So today I am helping you understand how to knit these beautiful lacy v-neck open free-flowing cardigan, and these are knitted in 3 pieces. There are 2 front panel, the left panel and the right panel, and then there is a back. So if you have downloaded my pattern, you will notice that there are instructions for all of these 3 panels. To begin with, I'll introduce the major part of this garment and where to begin knitting and how to divide your loom knitting. So everything about the gauge and the loom and all is in the pattern. The purpose of this video is primarily to help you understand its construction and also to shape the armhole and the v-neck. So let's begin. It is a bottom-up knit and flat knit back and forth. So we have this hemline. I call it hemline. I generally use a 4-stitch pattern, that is 2 E-wrap and 2 purl, and that is a very good one because it lies flat and the garment doesn't flip, and the back is this. And then there is the main body of the garment, that is this lacy part. Sometimes I knit the laces all the way up to shoulder depending on how my pattern is. For example, this one, this berry color one that I've knitted, the pattern is the small, you can see these small little bud-like lace eyelets. They are all the way up to here. And then it has, instead of the rib border or a garter hemline or seed stitch hemline, I have used a lace pattern, a lacy pattern here because I wanted scallops here. So I picked up a pattern that makes a scallop. You can pick any pattern that is scalloped and then start knitting. Either make it all units or use a little eyelet pattern. So there is hemline, there is this main body, and then there is the trickiest part and the most technical part, which took me really so many pieces knitting and unraveling and swatching, is shaping this neckline and the v-neck. So my video basically focus on helping you understand how I shape the armhole and how I shape this v-neck. And then there is this tie front. There is no button or a placket here for button. It is just I-cord string that I continued as an I-cord edging around the neckline. And in this sample there is no edging, whereas in this one I have used I-cord to make this neat edges, right? You have to what I feel is that armhole, it's okay. See, it's not that bad, right? I haven't made any knitted any kind of edges here, but it still is good. But this one I tried experimenting with an I-cord edging and it does look good. So this is the basic construction. We knit 3 panels, the back panel, then the left front, the right front, and seam them here from the wrong side and seam the sides and seam the shoulders, and these are seamed using the blanket stitch. It's pretty neat, doesn't show anything, it's nice and clean. So let me show you how on a piece that is in progress on my loom, I'll show you how I will shape the neckline.